maikat-kat ramang gid ni. Na, ayog na para as if lang nga di ka ma. Okay. 3. Start na ta diretso na ni kay yupak na. 3 3 2 1. Okay, so good afternoon, Andy, and I am your remedial teacher for today. I am teacher Gian, and today we will be focusing on the words that are being mispronounced by most of the Filipinos. These words are F versus P and B versus V. Okay, so have you ever, I have a question for you. Have you ever been misunderstood by the way you pronounce? Or nakatry na ba ka nga na nasayop og sabot kay tungod sa imuhang pronounce?
Yes.
Nakatry na. Okay, so because of that, we will going to tackle more about this type of sounds. So for today, before we formally start our class for today, I have here a tongue twister. Okay, tongue twister are sentences or phrases that you're going to read in a fast manner. Like first of all, I am Gian Apar, like that. Okay, so yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so first we are going to read this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ben borrowed Vicky's very big violin.
Again, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ben borrowed Vicky's very big violin.
Again.
Ben borrowed Vicky's very big violin.
Okay. In this sentence, where do you think is the hardest to pronounce? Asa ang lisod kayo i-pronounce?
Borrowed.
Borrowed. Because of this is a tongue twister, so it is most like these sentences are hard to pronounce. Okay, follow after me. Borrowed.
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 Very good. Again, borrowed.
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 When we pronounce b, borrowed.
Borrowed.
Correct. Now, let's have another one. Okay. Kindly, this is the next one. Okay, kindly read. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh fish for Friday's food.
Again, 3, 2, 1, go.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh food for Friday's food.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh fish for Friday's food. So, which word or words do you think is the hardest to pronounce?
Fresh.
Fresh and, just fresh or?
Fresh.
Fresh. Okay, let's now pronounce fresh. Okay. Fresh.
Fresh.
Ay, katawa ba kayo? Makatawa ko! 3, 2... Okay, let's pronounce fresh. Fresh.
Fresh.
Lagi si katawa! Dali, gigikapoy na kayo ko. Maugali na purpose ani kay di ka ba mo basa bulok. 3, 2, 1, go. And now let us pronounce fresh. Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. So, I have here a mirror. Okay? Now, you will going to face in the mirror while saying the words that you think are the hardest to pronounce. In the first sentence, we have borrowed.
Borrowed.
Next sentence, you are going to use the fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. Look at the mirror and then say the word borrowed correctly. Okay?
Borrowed.
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 3 times. 3, 2, 1, go.
Borrowed. Borrowed. Borrowed.
Very good. How about the word fresh? Say it in the mirror.
Fresh.
3 times.
Fresh. Fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Fresh. Fresh.
Uh-oh.
Fresh.
Okay. So I think those are the words that are very tricky. And now I have here a flashcard. These words have somewhat the same pronunciation, but they have different initials, just like the F and the V and the B. The F and the P and the B and the V. Okay. I have here the word fairy.
Fairy.
Okay, just look at the mirror after you're going to see the word. Okay, just read the first word. Just read the word first, and then after that, we're going to read it in front of the mirror. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Fairy.
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 Okay, read it in the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fairy.
Very good. How about this one? Very.
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 Okay, can you read it in front of the mirror?
Very.
Very good. Next, I have here the word but.
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 Again, but.
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 Okay, say it in front of the mirror.
But.
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 Don't prolong the ayaw lagi si katawa para madali. Lagi atay eh. Dali. Balik. I have here the next word. Luwa na pakita ko niya. I have here word but.
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 Okay, say it in front of the mirror.
But.
Very good. How about this one? Vat.
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 Okay, say it in the mirror.
Vat.
Again.
Vat.
Very good. Next word is the next word is fine.
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 Okay, say it in front of the mirror.
Fine.
Again.
Fine.
Very good. How about the word vine?
Vine.
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 Okay, say it in front of the mirror.
Vine.
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 Very good. I have here another pair of words. Fan.
Fun.
Fan.
Fun.
Fan.
Fun.
Okay, use the mirror.
Fun.
Again.
Fun.
Okay, very good. How about pan?
Fun.
Pan.
Fun.
Okay, say it in front of the mirror.
Fun.
Pan.
Fun.
Very good. I think that's all for our pronunciation part. And now, you are going to listen to what I have said, and you're going to repeat it after me. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, this the first word is I. Say it.
I
Repeat after me. I am.
am
Over na sa am. Balik, over na sa OA. I am
I am
very
very
very beautiful
beautiful
person.
person.
Again, I
I
am
am
very
very
beautiful
beautiful
person.
person.
I like
I like
to... Lagi si katawa din. Para mahuman na ta. Diyos ko, Lord.
comment pa natin joke good.
.fbb. Okay. Balik. I
like
like to
to
play
play
volleyball
volleyball
and
and
Basketball.
Basketball.
Again, let's start from the top. I
I
am
am
very
very
beautiful
beautiful
person.
person.
I
I
like
like
to
to
play
play
volleyball
volleyball
and
and
basketball.
basketball.
Okay, so I have a question for you. To those two sentences, what word or words do you think are the hardest to pronounce?
Kan siguro beautiful beautiful nga word.
Beautiful. Okay. And now, since you think beautiful has the hardest to is the hardest to pronounce, we're going to say it in front of the mirror, and you're going to check the way you pronounce it. Okay. B b beau
B beauty
beau beauty beautiful
beautiful
full.
full
Okay, let's say it. Let's say it once again. Beautiful.
beautiful
Again, 3, 2, 1.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Very good. So that's. I think that's all for today. What do you think? Okay, but before that, pronounce the word. Pronounce this word. No, sorry. Pronounce this letter.
F
F.
F
F.
F
Your tongue must be on the upper teeth.
F
F.
F
Ano,
F.
the
F F.
lips will be the lips must touch the upper teeth. F.
F
F.
F
Very good. How about this one?
P
P.
P
P. Look
P.
at my tongue. P.
P
Very good.
P.
How about this one?
B
Big. Charis. Bubo mo ka din. Balik. 3, 2, 1, and how about this one?
B
B.
B
B.
B
B.
B
B. Look at my tongue. B.
B
Okay, say it. Next one.
B
V.
V
V.
V
V.
V
Okay, pronounce those 4 words in front of the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
F
Again.
F
F.
F
Okay, focus on your lips on the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
F
F.
F
F.
F
Okay. Next. P.
P P
Again.
P
Okay. How about the B?
B
B.
B
B.
B
Okay, how about the V?
V
V.
V
Okay. So I think you already know how to pronounce those most pronounced words by the Filipinos. And I think that ends our remedial session for today. And tomorrow you will going to for your assignment, I'll going to have you answer this one using those using the no, I have here an assignment for you, and you're going to study this because tomorrow I will let you read everything. Okay? That would be all, and thank you.
Thank you.
Balik.